All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a top floor, third floor, Mission Hill one bed. So we have some nice bay windows in the living room. We have a nice updated kitchen, good size electric stove, granite countertops, which is not very, you don't get that in a lot of places on this street. Cabinets, all right, nice backsplash right there. Fridge, closet right here, maybe for some linens or storage. Bedroom, exposed brick. Closet, to the rear of the building. And closet as soon as you walk into the apartment, coat closet, and then finally the bathroom, which they've kept well maintained. All right, toilet, sink, vanity, tub, shower combo, laundry in the basement. You have access to the green line, I believe, right in front. Hope you enjoyed the video walkthrough.